田中さんは聞いていませんよ。田中さんは聞いていませんよ。1、もう、2、だけ、3、まだ、4、まで。Which answer do you think is correct for the sentence? When we translate the sentence to English, we will say like this. Mr. Tanaka hasn't come yet. Or you say like, Tanaka-san hasn't come yet. In here, Tanaka-san means Mr. Tanaka, and 聞いていません。聞いていません is from the word 来る or 来ます which means come. And 聞いていません is mean that not come yet or hasn't come yet, like this. But when we create the Japanese sentence, we have to put some help verb in the sentence. So in here we had 4 joy. Let's consider our each joy that and know the meaning. The first one is more. More is mean something that already happened. So for example, もう行きました。もう行きました。This means already went there. Something like this. もうやりました。Which means you already did it. And the second is だけ。だけ this mean that is mean only. So when you want to say 一人だけ is mean only one. 二人だけ only 2 people, like this. And the third is mada. Mada is mean something that not happened yet. For example, まだご飯を食べていません which means I haven't have a rice yet, right? まだ朝ご飯を食べていません which means I haven't had a breakfast yet, something like this. And the last one is まで Made is mean until. For example, 来週まで is mean until next week. 来週 is mean next week, so 来週まで so it's mean until next week. Okay, right now you may know the answer. Our answer is the number 3. Because they say Mr. Tanaka-san hasn't come yet. That means the situation that it doesn't happen, right? So it hasn't happened yet. So we use mada. That means Mr. Tanaka-san hasn't come yet. So we say mada. So our full sentence we can say like 田中さんはまだ聞いていませんよ。毎日新聞を読みます。1、2、お、3、2、4、が。Which one do you think is correct for the sentence? The first, let me translate the sentence to be English. And do understand about the sentence, and after that we'll choose and consider the most suitable answer for our sentence. When we translate our sentence to be English, we can say like this. I read the newspaper every day. I read the newspaper every day. In here, 毎日 means every day. 新聞 Shimbun mean newspaper. Yomimasu means read. So in this sentence, you say, I read the newspaper every day. But for the Japanese sentence, you have to choose the particle to help create the sentence. So let's consider our answer. The first one is A. Is mean to. For example, I go to school. You can say like 学校へ行きます or I go to the library. You can say like 図書館へ行きます So we use in the meaning that to some place to another place. The second, we will use to help create a sentence when we have a verb. For example, ご飯を食べます which means I eat rice. 水を飲みます 水 means water. 飲みます mean drink. So 水を飲みます which means I drink water, like this. So the easily to say how to use o, you use o to help the verb. The third one is say ni. Ni you use the similarity like a. For example, 学校に行きます also mean go to the school. And sometimes you use ni like with. And for the ni, we will use many reasons such as to or such as with, just depend to the sentence. And the last one is a ga. Ga you use to be the we use ga to put in the between the subject and object or the sentence. So we use ga. For example, 誰がやりましたか right? So you said we see that 誰 is mean the subject and やりましたか you be the object, right? So 誰がやりましたか who did that? So now you know that which one is the correct one, right? You see that our correct answer is the number 2 because you see that after the o will be the verb, right? 新聞を読みます So example like ご飯を食べます something like this. So our full sentence we say like 毎日新聞を読みます 毎日新聞を読みます お母さんもう遊びにもいいですか1行く2行って3行った4行っている Which one do you think is correct for the sentence? In here we had 4 choices, so we had to choose the correct one for our sentence. But the first, let's make more understand about our sentence, then we can choose the correct answer. When we translate this sentence to English, we can say like this: Mom, can I go pray now? Mom, can I go pray now? In here, mom means okasan. Okasan means mom. Mom means okasan. And asobi mean pray. Is from the verb asobu or asobimasu. So it means pray. And more is mean that something that already. So you can use more. And ii desu ka? Ii which mean okay, or it mean good, something like this. So desu ka, so we want to create a question sentence, so we use desu ka, which mean good, okay, something like this. So now we have to choose the correct answer for our sentence. Now we already know the meaning. So how do you say go in Japanese? If you just say go or go to, we use iku, ikimasu, right? But in here we have to choose the suitable phrase. So let's consider our first choice. This say iku. If you say asobi ni iku mo ii desu ka? That's not correct. Because iku is in the dictionary form, right? So we don't use with mo. And the second, they say ite. This means we change the verb iku to be the te form, right? So we can say ite. So if you say asobi ni ite mo ii desu ka? So we can use like this. Because is mean good is adjective, right? So after we want to continue the verb with the adjective, so it should be te. And the third is say ita. Ita is mean the past tense form of the iku or ikimasu. And the last one is say itteru. Itteru is mean is the continuing or doing something. So we in the continuing sentence, so you can use itteru. So to choose the correct answer, if you learn about the Japanese grammar, you use the verb, the grammar that temo ii desu, something like this. When you use the phrase temo ii desu, that means may I, right? This may I go or can I go, something like this. So in here our correct answer is the number 2, temo, itemo. So when you learn Japanese grammar, you should remember that how to use. So you have to choose the correct answer, and our correct answer in here, we should know that how to use the grammar temo ii desu. Temo ii desu ka? That means when you want to do something, so you ask your boss, ask your friends, you can use temo ii desu ka? Something like this. Yatte mo ii desu ka? Itte mo ii desu ka? Kite mo ii desu ka? Something like this. So this is the phrase that temo And our full sentence we say like お母さんもう遊びに行ってもいいですか？お母さんもう遊びに行ってもいいですか？ Mom, can I go play now? Something like this. So when you ask your mother that you want to go to play, so more is mean something that already you are already to go to play. So just your mom to allow you to go to play. So this is the grammar, so you have to remember. でもいいですか？水曜日には日本語のテスト1入ります。2はあります。3がいます。4があります。So which one do you think is correct? To make more understand about our sentence, let's translate our sentence to English. There is a Japanese test on Wednesday. There is a Japanese test on Wednesday. In here, 水曜日is mean Wednesday, right? And 日本語 means Japanese language or Japanese. テスト mean test. So 日本語のテスト she mean Japanese test or Japanese language test. And には is mean for, right? Or on, you can say on. For or on, you can translate to be like this. On Wednesday. So in here we have 4 choices. So the first they say はいます. So you should know that how to use the verb there is, there are, right? There is, there are. How do you say there? How do you use the grammar there is, there are in Japanese? In Japanese, when we want to say there is, there are, it's quite different when we use with the people. When we use the people, we use the thing that have a life. We use that like います. But when we use with the things such as motorbike or such as fan or air condition, you can use あります, something like this. And every time we use there is the we will use with a が, for example がいます or があります. For example, you can say that like 鳥がいます. 鳥がいます mean there is a bird like this. But you say 鉛筆があります. 鉛筆があります. 鉛筆 is mean the pencil. があります. Why we use が? Because 鉛筆 is the thing, is doesn't have a life, right? So we use あります. So now you already know the answer, right? We don't use は or はあります or はいます. So in here, our correct answer will be the number 4. があります. Because 日本語のテスト is a thing, right? Is a Japanese test. So the test doesn't have a life. So we use が. So our full sentence we say like 水曜日には 日本語のテストがあります。水曜日には日本語のテストがあります。There is a Japanese test on Wednesday.